Okay, so talk about being really late to the table on this one. But anyways, what I'm going to do, I'll do a very quick unboxing. I'll just kind of talk over it as I do it, and I'll explain why I've got it. Alright, so after a bit of wrestling, there we go, I've got that bit off it. Oh, there's some bits of card and stuff like that. Now the thing is, obviously everyone's seen all these before, you know, so this isn't not new to anyone. But what it is, because I've only just got it myself, and like, you know, I kind of like, I thought, well, you know, I might as well unbox it and explain why I'm doing it for my channel, because this is quite specific for me, you know, not for other people, obviously. So anyway, there's the little thing itself. Let me just get that out. Hold on. Oh, actually, that's got some fairly good heft to it. That's, didn't expect it to be that heavy. And, you know, there's the little case for it and stuff. Okay, let me just see if I can open that up. And there's all bits in here, so let's see, hold on. So that's the USB cable and also the connectors for getting into phones and stuff. Let's see. That looks like a, hold on. Yeah, one of them, manual. Little wristband, another manual thing and all the rest of it. Let me just get all this out of there. Right. So that's basically all the stuff that comes in. Like I say, I know everyone's seen all this before and it's been done to death and all the rest of it. But basically what it is, I wanted to get one of these like as soon as they come out, but unfortunately, you know, DJI still haven't released the audio adapter that plugs in the bottom for microphones and such. So I just thought to myself, well, I'm going to wait for a while until that comes out. But it looks like I'll still be waiting and waiting. So what it is, I was in town before with my mate Trelly. Trelly's my mate who's got the Sony, the A7 Mark III, who lets me use his A7 Mark III and stuff. Anyway, me and Trelly went into the Apple store in town in Liverpool, and lo and behold, they actually had them in stock. The only place that I've seen where you can actually go in and see the stuff. So while we were there, it was like, might as well get one because I'd seen it and I couldn't walk out, blah blah, all the rest of it. My eyes were too big and all that stuff. So in the end, I've kind of got it on the basis that what I'm gonna do is learn it, you know, or learn what it's all about before they release the audio adapter. Because as soon as the audio adapter's released for it, I'm going to be doing all kinds of cool stuff with microphones as long as the thing works with audio adapters properly. So like I say, the idea is I'll get a grip of it before the audio adapter's out, kind of learn like what it can and it can't do, you know, what its problems are, what, you know, the stuff to do with autofocus, all these kind of things. So hopefully by the time the audio adapter comes out, you know, I'm kind of up to speed with it. Then I can make some videos dead quick about it. Yeah, so there you go. That's basically the bottom line really as to why I've got it now and I didn't get it, you know, beforehand and all the rest of it. Also, you know, I've kind of like been dabbling with other cameras and stuff beyond, you know, my usual camera, which is what I'm on here, which is my Sony AX100. And it was just time that I got myself the most portable thing for going out with. There are going to be better cameras than this. The AX53 by Sony is going to have better picture quality and such, and it's going to be a lot more flexible. But I mean, seriously, now that it's in my hand, there's absolutely no way you're beating this for size, for stability and a decent picture. Let's just hope that once the adapter comes out for the audio, that actually lives up to like what the rest of the camera is capable of doing as well. Okay, so like I say, this was just going to be me unboxing my one and explaining why I've got it. And it's not going to be like one of them things where people go, hey, I've seen this boss unboxing of like the DJI Osmo Pocket on YouTube. You need to go and check it out because this guy tells you everything about it. Because I've not told anybody anything that they don't already know. Anyway, yeah, so like I say, just a quick unboxing from my point of view and why it's took me so long to kind of get into one. And hopefully it's not going to be too long before DJI release the actual audio adapter for these. Anyway, okay, so that was it. So I'm going to get off now and charge it up, have a good play with it, and in the meantime I will be doing the odd little videos about it, about picture quality and such. But you know, hold on until like the adapter comes out and I'll do some really cool videos with this, with the mic adapter and stuff. All right then, well, thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.